Hello everyone, welcome back to Wellness Whirlpool. Today, we have something special for our viewers with diabetes. We're going to share 10 quick and healthy diabetic breakfast ideas that will kickstart your day with a burst of flavor and energy. So, let's get cooking. Number 1. Greek yogurt parfait. First up, we have a delightful Greek yogurt parfait. Take some low-fat Greek yogurt and layer it with fresh berries like blueberries and strawberries. Add a sprinkle of crushed nuts for some healthy crunch. Number 2. Veggie omelet. Next, let's whip up a veggie omelet. Whisk together egg whites and pour them into a non-stick pan. Add diced bell peppers, onions, and spinach. Cook until it's set to perfection. Number 3. Avocado toast. Who doesn't love avocado toast? Spread mashed avocado on whole grain toast, and top it off with sliced tomatoes, a squeeze of lemon juice, and a dash of black pepper. It's so creamy and delicious. Number 4. Chia seed pudding. Now, let's make a chia seed pudding. Combine chia seeds with unsweetened almond milk and let it sit overnight. In the morning, add some fresh berries and a drizzle of sugar-free maple syrup. It's a delightful and filling option. Number 5. Cottage cheese bowl. For a protein-packed breakfast, try our cottage cheese bowl. Mix low-fat cottage cheese with diced cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, and a handful of walnuts. A tasty way to start your day. Number 6. Breakfast quinoa. Here's a nutrient-rich breakfast quinoa. Cook quinoa in water or low-sodium vegetable broth and stir in some diced apples, a sprinkle of cinnamon, and chopped almonds. So wholesome. Number 7. Peanut butter banana smoothie. Craving a smoothie? How about a peanut butter banana smoothie? Blend unsweetened almond milk, a ripe banana, a spoonful of natural peanut butter, and ice cubes. A perfect blend of flavors. Number 8. Berry nutty overnight oats. Prepare your breakfast in advance with berry nutty overnight oats. Combine rolled oats with almond milk, chia seeds, and a handful of mixed berries. Leave it in the refrigerator overnight and add some crushed nuts in the morning. Easy and delicious. Number 9. Veggie breakfast burrito. For those busy mornings, we have a veggie breakfast burrito. Fill a whole grain tortilla with scrambled eggs, sautéed spinach, bell peppers, and a sprinkle of feta cheese. Roll it up, and you're ready to go. Number 10. Sweet potato hash. Lastly, let's cook up some sweet potato hash. Dice sweet potatoes and sauté them with onions, bell peppers, and lean turkey bacon. Season with your favorite herbs and spices. A flavorful and filling option. And there you have it, 10 quick and healthy diabetic breakfast ideas to kickstart your day on the right foot. Remember, eating well is essential for managing diabetes, but it doesn't mean sacrificing flavor. If you enjoyed these recipes, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious and healthy recipes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.